Hello everyone, I'm Carminia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful cup warmers. It is a beginner-friendly pattern, very easy to make. It can be perfect little presents for friends. Hope you like it. If you prefer a written pattern, please see description below. Let's start. Slip knot. Make a chain in multiple of 3, then plus 1. I make chain 28. Let's measure the chain on the cup. You need to stretch the chain hard and leave about 1 inch gap. Row 1. Yarn over, double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Another double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, skip 2 stitches, double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Another 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Yarn over, skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 double crochets here, 3 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. Let's repeat. Yarn over, skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochets into the 3rd stitch. 1, 2, 3. Again, yarn over, skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochets into the 3rd stitch. Repeat this pattern across the row. Then we skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2, 3. Before we finish this double crochet, we bring in new color. So you make a slip stitch and then just pull through. Then we chain 3. We can cut the yellow yarn off and tie a knot. Row 2. 3 double crochet stitches into this space. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet stitches in between the space. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this pattern across the row. Then double crochet into the last stitch. Before we finish the last stitch, we bring in the other color. Make a slip knot. Finish the last stitch. Chain 3, cut off the purple yarn, tie a knot, turn over, 2 double crochet stitches into this space. 1, 2, 3 double crochets into the space. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this pattern across the row. We put 3 double crochet stitches into the last space. 1, 2, 3. But before we finish this, we bring in new color. Make a slip knot. Pull through to finish the last stitch. Chain 3. Again, we can cut off the green yarn. Tie a knot. Turn over, 3 stitches into the space. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this pattern across the row. Then double crochet to the last stitch. But before we finish this double crochet, we bring in yellow yarn. Make a slip stitch. Pull through to finish the double crochet stitch. Chain 3. of the pink yarn, tie a knot. Turn over 2 double crochet stitches into the first space. Three double crochet stitches. Three double crochet stitches. Repeat this pattern across. Three double crochet stitches into the last space. 1, 2, 3. So we have enough nose for the width. Then we do single crochet stitches around this side. So we turn one, put 2 single crochet stitches in between 2 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 2 single crochet stitches into this double crochet stitch. 1, 2, 2 single crochet into this double crochet. 1, 2, then 2 single crochet stitches again, but we can crochet this in as well. 1, 2, then 2 double crochets into this, between this double crochet stitch space. 1, 2. Now we are in a corner. See the first stitch, we have 3 double crochet stitches in this first chain. So we're going to put single crochet into it. Then for the chain 2 space, we put 2 single crochets on. Then for this stitch, which has 3 double crochet stitches again, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the chain 2 space. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end. We are at the side again. So 2 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in this purple row, 2 single crochet in this green row. 2 single crochet in this purple row, 2 single crochet in this yellow row, we're back to this top. So we put single crochets into every stitch. So that's the first stitch, second stitch. So you just put single crochet onto every stitch. I will meet you at the end of the corner. Slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. Then we chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we slip stitch into this corner single crochet stitch. You can make 1 slip stitch to be more secure, and then chain 1. Then we go to this side, slip stitch, attach yarn into this corner single crochet stitch. Chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go to the corner. Slip stitch, another slip stitch, chain 1, now just weave in all the ends. We have finished our project. Hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.